Hello, cadets. Can you see the PPT? Yes.
Yes.
That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
That's good. That's good. Turn off all the videos. Turn off your video. Samarthavati, turn off your video. And we'll minimize our interactions much, and after 20 minutes only we will do any discussions. And coming down to the continuation of yesterday's class regarding the solutions of a linear equation in two variable. We solved example number 3, and we will solve now example number 4. Sub questions 1 and 2 we have already solved. Sub question 3rd onwards. See here, sub question 3 is also very important. Try to observe. Find the two solutions of each of the following equations. The moment they asked you to find the two solutions, and given equation is a linear equation in one variable, how will be the solution for the other variable? If there is no variable at all, what will be its solution? If you observe, 3y plus 4 can be written in two variables by bringing the variable x and its coefficient, writing it as 0. So 0 times x plus 3 times y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Now we brought this into two variables. Now whatever may be the value of x, definitely 0 multiplied to that becomes the 0. So the term completely misses every time. Now, is there any a definite value for the x here? So value of x can be any number. If it is multiplied to that coefficient 0, becomes 0 only. And now, is there any a definite value for the y? Yes, there is a definite value for y. What is the definite value for y? So when you solve this 3y plus 4 equals to 0, or even this 0 into x becomes 0, 3y plus 4 equal to 0 gives you y equals to minus 4 by 3, and y value remains every times minus 4 by 3 irrespective of the value of x. If x is 0 also minus 4 by 3, if x is 1 also minus 4 by 3, if x is minus 1 also minus 4 by 3 will be the value of y, and even if x is any number, the value of y always remains minus 4 by 3 only. Here, very important, 3y plus 4 equals to 0 gives a straight line having all these points lying on it. So you are going to watch how does this 3y plus 4 equals to 0 looks, or how does it look like on a Cartesian plane. As I said, it is going to be a straight line, but how it is going to be there on a Cartesian plane, you will be watching it. Okay, if once you plot these points, this is clear? You can put thumbs up if you have understood this concept. That's good. That's good.
You can tell once more, sir.
Sir, the number can change if we take the y value as 3 instead of 1.
Y value cannot be taken any number other than minus 4 by 3. y value remains constant. Minus 4 by 3 is always there. Why? Because here this linear equation in one variable gives a unique value for y. Whereas in the previous these examples, we have different values giving different values for y. Different values of x gave different values of y. If x is 0, then y became 4. If x is 1, y became 8 by 3. If x is minus 1, y became 16 by 3. Different values for x brought different values for y. Whereas here, if the value of x is 0, made the value of y 0, but still different values of x brought different values of y. If x is 1, then y became minus 5 by 2. If x is 2, y became minus 5 by 4. If x is minus 1, then minus 2 plus 5y. So it is plus 5 by 2. Plus 2 by 5, na? Am I right? 2 by 5?
Yes, sir. It's 2 by
Here
5, sir.
also 2 by 5?
Yes, sir.
Minus
Everywhere
2 by 5? Yeah. Yes. Here 4 by 5. Correct? Let me write it properly. Here. Here we have minus 2 upon 5. Here minus 4 upon 5. Here plus 2 upon 5. So different values for x brought different values for y. Have you understood in both the sub-question 1 and sub-question 2? Different values of x bringing different values of y. Because they are linear equations in two variables having their coefficients non-zero terms. Okay? And what is the difference between first sub-question and second sub-question? Let me tell you. Do you have constant here? Yes, there is a constant. Yeah, Girija Shankar, what is your doubt? Girija Shankar Patil, what is your doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. If you have doubt, do ask me. Raise your hand. Okay. When you
Okay, sir.
kept thumbs down, I got doubt. If you have doubt, please do ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. There is a constant term. Constant term is minus 12. In the example 2, do you have a constant term? No. Constant term here is 0. Constant term is 0. If the constant term is 0, then that equation will have guarantee 0, 0 as one of its solution, which means origin will be definitely lying on that line. If you draw a straight line with the help of these coordinate points, then that straight line will definitely pass through the origin. Will definitely passes through the origin. When it passes through the origin, if the constant term in a given linear equation is 0. If it is not there, then definitely the straight line drawn for that equation will passes through the origin. In another way, 0, 0 is definitely one of the solution of that equation. Is this clear to you? If it is clear, put a thumbs up. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now, we'll go for sub question that third. Here I was explaining to you, since it is a linear equation in only one variable, then different values of x is not giving different values of y, because it's a linear equation in the variable y, which tells us there is a one and only one value for the y, or a unique value for the y. Values of x can change, coordinates of x can change, but coordinate of y will remain constant. So different values of x is not giving any different values for y. Y will always be minus 4 by 3. Now, how does this straight line looks like? This is what you are going to understand when you construct it on a Cartesian plane. Okay. Now, let's move on to the exercise questions of 4.2. Okay. You need to understand, roughly jot it down. After understanding them, you make it properly in your notebook. Let's move on to the exercise 4.2. See children, here exercise 4.2 is about which one of the following options is true and why. Y equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now tell me, what do you say?
Sir,
Infinitely many
Infinitely
solutions.
many solutions.
Very good. Correct. Infinitely many solutions.
Because we can take x and y as any term.
Yes. So different values of x will give different values of y. Then coming to the second question. Write 4 solutions for each one of the following equations. I am showing one by
You
one.
can show previous one, sir.
Akash,
I will.
tell me. What is your doubt, Akash? Gote, tell me.
I will write, sir.
Achha, you want to write down. एक काम करो, टेक्स्ट बुक है. Do you have textbook with you, child? Akash?
Take screenshot and
Yes, sir.
write after.
Yeah, textbook, make use of the textbook and you can just, with the help of pencil, you can tick. Okay? Jot it down and rest of
Yes,
the
sir.
things you can write down in a notebook properly. Okay? Understand now. Understand now. Now, let's move on to the question number 2. Question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. There are maybe 8 sub-questions. I will show one by one. Nikhil, tell me, Sonath.
Sir, can I tell a solution of this?
Why not? Definitely. And
Sir, yes.
see, children, rather,
Sir, let x be 0.
yeah, let x be 0.
Let x
Yeah,
y
raise
is
hand and
equal
take on
then y
opportunity.
is
Y becomes?
then y 7.
Yes. Okay, next.
Sir, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1, sir.
Very good. If x equals to?
Yeah, 3, sir.
Very good. Y is 1. Correct.
Sir, x is equal to
Sir.
1 and y is equal to 5.
Samrudh. Samrudh is speaking, right?
No,
Gangadhar is speaking.
Bharat, sir.
Bharat.
Sir,
Tell
x
me,
equal
Bharat. Tell
to
me,
2
tell
and
me.
y equal to 3.
X is equal to
Bharat,
1.
let me listen. See, raise hand and always take an opportunity. Bharat, tell me.
X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5.
X equals to 1 and y equals to 5. Correct.
Sir, x is equal to 7 by 2, y is equal to 0.
Perfect. Perfect. Right. You know now how to find. No
Sir,
doubt
x
about
is
it.
equal to
Okay.
y is equal to
Yes,
3.
Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek. So
Sir, x is equal to 2.
x equal to 2.
Sir,
2.
y is equal to 3.
3. Correct, Abhishek. So you know how to do it, right? Let's move on to the next one.
Sir,
Second question.
sir, when writing these questions in notebook, we should do that equations solution and write it, or directly we can write.
Children, normally in class 8th and all, we expect properly solving it. In 9th and 10th, when you are plotting a graph, you need not show all the procedure of solving. Okay, if you are plotting a graph. But if you are finding solutions, you have to write it. This is done as a part of finding solutions. So you have to write it. As a part of drawing graph, there you need not show how it comes. You have to write the compulsory coordinates. That's enough. Yeah. Come to the second question, sub question. 5x plus y equals to 9. Let us see how will you do it.
Sir, x is equal to 7 by 22 and y is equal to 8.
7 by 22. Acha, you are using 22 by 7 for pi. No. Keep as pi. Keep as pi. Keep as pi. If x is 0, Kirtan, tell me.
X is 0 and y is 9, sir.
A raised hand by Bharat as well as Kirtan. Samrud, tell.
Sir, X is 0 and y is 9.
Perfect. Yes. Bharat and Samrud ho gaya. Kirtan. Raised hand by these three guys.
Sir, x is equal to 1 by pi. Then y will be 9, sir.
1 by y, 5. 1 by
Pi.
Y is equal to 8, sir.
No. Kirtan,
Y
you are
will be 8,
wrong.
sir. Y
Sir,
will be
If
8, sir.
x is
Sir,
0, then y is 9.
Sir, 7 by
said
22.
if
If
x
x
is
is
1
7
by
by
pi,
22, then y is equal to 9.
Yeah, 1 minute, Ved. Kirtan said it's mistake, it seems. Let me correct it and I'll come back to you. If x is 1 by pi, you said. So pi times of 1 by pi plus y equals to 9. Pi cancels and 1 plus y equals to 9 and y equals to 8. Okay. So if x is 1 by pi, then y is 8. Yeah. And wait, tell me.
Sir, if x is 7 by 22, then y is equal to 9.
Same thing. That's what I'm
8
making a correction now. Ved, you are wrong
It
now.
will become 8, sir. It will become 8.
Pi
1
value
plus
you
8.
are taking it as 22 by 7 and x value you are taking 7 by 22 plus y equals to 9. 7 ones are 22 ones are. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 plus y equals to 9. Y equals to 9 minus 1 and y is 8. Okay, Ved?
Okay, sir.
You said 9. Am I right? Did I hear correctly?
Yes,
You
sir.
said 9
Yes,
only,
sir.
na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you are taking this as 0. When they cancel, not give 0. When they get cancelled, gives 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is 1. Yeah. Yes, next.
By pi or
X,
7 by 22 both
2,
are same.
X, if X is 2,
Yes,
then
you are right.
y is 5 by 7.
If
X is 2 and then y is equal to 5 by 7, sir.
no, 2 pi plus y equals to 9. So y
I
equals to
took
9
22 by
minus 2
7,
pi.
sir. I took 22 by 7.
Even if you say 22 by 7, 9 minus 44 by 7, 49, 63. 63 minus 44 by 7. 63 minus 44, 13 minus 4 is 9 and 5 minus 4 is 1. So 19 by 7. Are you taking like that?
I did one mistake, sir.
Okay.
Sir, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 63.
Y as 0. Then x becomes 9 by pi. Okay. So
Sir,
first we will
x is
prefer
equal to
taking
7.
x as 0 and bringing one value for y and y as 0 and bringing one value for x. Okay, you know now how to do it, right? And there are some errors that I have corrected, as you said. Okay, let's go on. Virupanna, next one. Will you do? Let's go on.
Yes, sir.
Third one. Yes.
Sir, x is 0, sir.
Yes.
Oh,
X is 0. 0 equals to 4 times y. Y
no,
equals to
means
0 upon 4.
0.
It's 0. Good.
0. Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And you are to have a constant term.
Sir.
Please turn off your mic. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, x equals to 4y can be written as x minus 4y plus 0 equals to 0. Constant becomes 0 now. If the constant is 0, definitely 0 comma 0 is one
Yes,
of the
sir.
solution. Okay. Now, next one.
Sir, x is 1, sir.
Very
Sir,
good.
x is 1, sir, and 1 by 4.
Y is 1 by 4, sir.
Y is 1 by 4. Yes, right. Correct.
Sir, shall I tell?
Yes,
Sir.
Abhishek.
Sir,
X is Puneet.
and y is 2. Sir, if
Y
x
is
is equal
2.
to x is 8.
Yay, perfect.
Sir, if x is
X is 4,
y
sir.
is
X is 4, sir.
Yeah.
Y is
One. Yeah. So, somebody said y equals to 3, na?
Sir, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to half, sir.
half, sir.
Okay, good. Perfect. Done. So, you know how to do it, right? Let's move on to the question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. How to identify whether the given ordered pair is a solution of given equation or not? How to identify? How
Sir,
to
we
check?
have to assume.
Sir, we can take x as 0, sir, and we can try by options. Sir.
No. I will show you how to check.
Sir, in the
You are
place of
given
x,
x minus 2y equals to 4, right?
Values in that.
Substitute.
Yes.
Substitute the given point to whom you want to check in the equation. Understood? Just substitute. Therefore, x equals to 0 and y equals to 2 is to be, are to be substituted. Now, if I substitute in the place of x 0 minus 2 times of 2,
Option 3, sir.
this is left hand side. So 0 minus 2 2s are 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. It is not equals to right hand side. Thus 0 comma 2 is not the solution. Have you understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we do.
Sir,
Checking is done
one
like
is
this.
right, sir.
Abhishek.
Sir, you can explain once.
Sir, only third one is
Akash,
correct.
what we have to do is given equation in that we will substitute the given point. Given point is referring abscissa, x coordinate as 0 and y coordinate as 2. Is it clear? So that
Yes, sir.
x equals to 0 and y equal to 2 to be substituted in the given equation. ಅಂದರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಗಿವೆನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಬೆಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಬೆಲೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದ್ದರೇನೆ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In next one, let us see. What I am substituting? Substitute
2 and 0.
2, 0 in the given linear equation. X minus 2y equals to 4. So here left hand side is x minus 2y. So
Sir, it will also not
2
come, sir.
minus 2 of 0. So 2 minus 2 of 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Left hand side I got value 2 and it is not equals to right hand side value. Right hand side value is 4. Thus, therefore, 2, 0 is also not the solution. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the solution? Only 4, 0. How we can say 4, 0 is solution? Because we will substitute and check here. Substitute 4, 0 in the linear equation x minus 2y equals to 4. Thus, left hand side x minus 2y, where I am substituting 4 minus 2 times of 0. 4, 2 times of 0 is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4, which is equals to right hand side value, which is 4. Therefore, 4, 0 is a solution. It is one of the solution. That's why I'm indefinite article using. This is a solution of the linear equation x minus 2y equals to 4. That's it. Have you understood how to identify? Yes, that's good. That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
If you raise a thumbs up, that's fine. That's fine. Next, let's move on to the next question. Next question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. Again, they gave root 2, 4 root 2. Very important. Root 2, 4 root 2. I am taking left hand side, which is x minus 2 times y. So root 2 minus 2 times of 4 root 2. Root 2 minus 2 times of 4 root 2 is 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 is just like a minus 8a. What is a minus 8a? What is a minus 8a? Children, can you hear me? Hello? Karaj, can you hear me?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Net here power has gone. The moment power has gone, we lost internet signal na in school. So I have connected to my
Sir, your
personal
sound is
hotspot
not
and now
clear.
again current has come.
Class may end at any time.
Okay, okay, no problem. Let's end our class today. Rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
bye,
Thank
bye,
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
bye,
Bye,
bye.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.